Hey everybody, what's going on? Hey, how you guys like this nice little plug going on here? So this is the best way I figured I could show you this new life hack. This is the iPhone spacebar hack. Now, I'm sure a lot of you probably already know this. If you don't, then you're probably watching this video, so maybe you don't know about it. But anyway, I learned this from my wife. She said, "Hey, guess what? Now you don't have to do the whole magnifying thing." So, back in the day, what you always had to do was, let's say I misspelled something in here, and I wanted to come up here, and I used to always do this crap, right, right, and then you're always like, "Okay, I need okay, that sucks, right?" So they came out with this new trick. It's awesome. It really is. And the reason why I'm doing this video is obviously I do a video a day for a year, showing you guys the YouTube process. Can we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months? Can we hit it? I need your help. So if you like this video, if it helped you, if you like my channel, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and go check out my other videos. A video a day for a year. Everything from reviews, life hacks, unboxings, how-tos, everything that I can possibly think of that helps my life. Hopefully, some videos are really worthless, but some of them really do. A lot of them really do the things that I like or things that help my life out. So, but anyway, jump into this one. So, no more of this crap. No more of trying to really get it. And this one's actually, it does really good, but when you're trying to do a website URL or fine tune one word, look at this. Hold the space, hit the space bar, and don't let go, and hold it. You see how it does it? It widened out my keyboard, but now it's giving me the control. So now I basically move it around on the phone wherever I need it. So if I want it right there, boom. If I want to take out that comma, boom. I want to take out that comma, boom. I want to capitalize this, hit this backspace. Look how fast you can rotate with this now. And literally, I've not picked my thumb up. I'm just holding it on the screen and able to move it around anywhere on the screen. I'm all the way, and you can see I'm already maxed out at the top, and my thumb's only 3/4 of the way up on the screen. If I went down here, I'm 3/4 from the top down. So it's not like you got to put your thumb all over the place. It moves fast. It gets where you want it. But anyway, yeah, awesome little life hack. If you have an iPhone. If you don't, well, sorry about you. But anyway, hope you guys like that video. Hope it helps. If you do, hit that thumbs up, please, please. But if you like my other videos, hit that subscribe and come back and check out the goofy videos I put up in a year. So anyway, I already did my plug for my channel, so please hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you like this video. But nonetheless, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one. See you guys.